Hi kids, how are you? Are you okay? Are you alright? How are you doing? Okay, welcome to ZQ Online Learning Environment once again. In this video, we are going to learn the use of big and small in English. How to use big and small. ഈ വീഡിയോയിൽ നാം പഠിക്കുന്നത് എങ്ങനെ ചെറുത് വലുത് ബിഗ് ആൻഡ് സ്മോൾ എന്നെങ്ങനെ പറയാം. സോ ഹൗ യു ക്യാൻ ഗെറ്റ് യുവർ ചിൽഡ്രൻ പ്രാക്ടീസ് ബിഗ് ആൻഡ് സ്മോൾ. ഓക്കെ, ലെറ്റ്സ് ഗെറ്റ് ഗോയിങ്.
Hey kids, just watch and listen. Ready? What is this?
This is a ball.
And what is this?
This is also a ball.
Ask me please.
What is this?
This is a ball.
And what is this?
This is also a ball. Which is big ball?
This is big ball.
And which is small ball?
This is small ball.
Ask me please.
Which is big ball?
This is big ball.
And which is small ball?
This is small ball. Okay? This is big. This is small. This is big and this is small. Big ball.
Small ball.
This is big ball.
This is small ball.
Big, big, big.
Small, small, small.
Okay. Hey kids, what is this? Good. This is a ball. And what is this? This is also a ball. Good. Which is big ball? This or this? Good. And which is small ball? This or this? Wow, good. What is this?
This is a book.
This is a book. And what is this?
This is also a book.
This is also a book. Which is big book? This or this?
This is big book.
And which is small book?
This is small book.
This is small book. Ask me please.
Which is big book?
This is big book.
Which is small book?
This is small book. Hey kids, which is big book?
Yes.
Good. And which is small book? Good. What is this?
This is a shirt.
What is this?
This is a shirt.
And what is this?
This is also a shirt.
This is a shirt and this is also a shirt. Which is big shirt?
This is big shirt.
Good. And which is small shirt?
This is small shirt.
Ask me please.
Which is big shirt?
This is big shirt.
And which is small shirt?
This is small shirt. This is big.
This is small.
This is big.
And this is small.
This is big.
And this is small.
Big.
Small.
Big.
Small.
Big.
Small.
Hey kids, which is big shirt? This or this?
Yes.
Good. And which is small shirt?
This is.
Good. What is this?
This is a phone.
And what is this?
This is also a phone.
This is a phone and this is also a phone. Which is big phone?
This is big phone.
Which is small phone?
This is small phone.
Ask me please.
Which is big phone?
This is big phone.
Which is small phone?
This is small phone. This is big phone,
This is small phone.
phone. Hey kids, which is big phone?
Yes.
Good. And which is small phone? Good. Congrats. What is this?
This is a box.
And what is this?
This is also a box.
This is a box. This
And
is
this
also
also
a
a
box. Which is big box?
This is big box.
And which is small box?
This is small box.
Ask me please.
Which is big box?
This is big box.
Which is small box?
This is small box. This is big box.
And this is small box.
This is big box.
This is small box.
Good. Hey kids, which is big box?
Yeah,
Good.
This is
And which is small box?
yes.
Good. What is this?
This is a bottle.
And what is this?
This is also a bottle.
This is a bottle and
This is also a bottle.
this is also a bottle. Okay. Which is big bottle
This is big bottle.
and which is small bottle?
This is small bottle.
This is small bottle. This is big bottle.
This is small bottle.
Ask me please.
Which is big bottle?
This is big bottle.
Which is small bottle?
This is small bottle. This is big.
This is small.
This is big.
And this is small.
This is big.
And this is small.
Big.
Small.
Which is big bottle?
It's good.
Good. And which is small bottle?
Yeah. This is
Good.
small bottle.
This is small bottle. What is this?
This is scissors.
And what is this?
This is also scissors.
This is scissors and this is also
scissors.
okay. And which is big scissors?
This is big scissors.
And which is small scissors?
This is small scissors.
Ask me please.
Which is big scissors?
This is big scissors.
And which is small scissors?
This is small scissors. This is big.
This is small.
This is big.
This is small.
This is big.
This is small.
Okay. Which is big scissors? Good. And which is small scissors? Good. This is big scissors.
And this is small scissors.
This is big.
This is small.
Big.
Small.
Good. What is this?
This is a chair.
And what is this?
This is also a chair.
This is a chair.
And
this is also
a chair.
good. And which is big chair?
This is big chair.
Which is small chair?
This is small chair.
This is big chair.
This is small chair.
Ask me please.
Which is big chair?
This is big chair.
Which is small chair?
This is small chair. This is big and
This is small.
hey kids, which is big chair? Good. And which is small chair?
This is small.
Good. This is big and
This
this
is
is small.
Hi parents, please watch and listen how a ZQ kid is practicing this, practicing big and small. Okay.
What is this?
This is ball.
Which is small ball?
This is small ball.
Good boy. And which is big ball?
This is big ball.
Good boy. What is this?
This is bus.
Good. This is box. Which is big box?
This is big ball.
Good. And which is small box?
This is small bus.
Good boy. What is this?
This is book.
Good. Which is big book?
This is big book.
Good. Which is small book?
This is small book.
Good.
Up next, we are going to listen to a beautiful song by using big and small. Big and small. Here we go.
Small chair, small, small. Big chair, big, big. Small notebook, small, small. Big notebook, big. Small bucket, small. Big bucket, big. Small table, small. Big table, big. Small bottle, small. Big bottle, big. Small mobile, small. Big mobile, big.
Okay, kids, that's all. In this video, we learned the use of big and small. Big ball, small ball. Big book, small book. Okay, just practice. Had a great time. See you next time with another beautiful video. Till then, bye-bye. Take care.